Hello, topic of this lecture is radar displays. Radar display, the main function of the radar display is to show an indication of presence of target and its movement on a display depending upon the signal that is received, that is echo. Echo represents a signal, a target which should be visualized on a display. Generally, the radar displays are CRTs. CRT is cathode ray tube, which you might have seen in the CRO, cathode ray oscilloscopes. If you are doing some experiments in the labs, you will have CROs. Now, the two types of basic CRO displays are: one is deflection modulated CRTs, such as A-scopes, in which target is indicated by the deflection of the electron beam, which is common thing. The other one is the intensity modulated CRTs, in which wherever there is a target, the intensity is made high. That is another type. Now, the same radar displays the deflection of the beam or the appearance of the intensity or modulated spot on the radar display caused by the presence of target is commonly called as blip. The deflection in the beam or intensity modulation is called a blip. With the advent of technology in the display systems being used in other applications like computer monitors, TVs, the modern radars, nowadays we use the state-of-art LCD or LED displays along with digital storage techniques, overcoming the many limitations of which were faced by CRTs. It is very advanced one. Different types of displays that are present are A-scope, a deflection modulated display in which the vertical deflection is proportional to the target echo strength and the horizontal coordinate is proportional to range. A deflection modulated display in which the vertical deflection, height of the pulse, is proportional to target echo strength and the horizontal coordinate displays the range. For example, if the echo arrives very late, so horizontally it is very apart from the origin, so that indicates the target range is very long. And if the target cross section is very large, large amount of power will be returned back in the form of echo. That is A-scope. Coming to the another version is B-scope, an intensity modulated rectangular display with azimuth angle indicated by the horizontal coordinate and range by the vertical coordinate. By this, what we understand is wherever we need to know the direction and range, we should go for B-scope. B-scope is an intensity modulated rectangular display with azimuth angle indicated by the horizontal coordinate and range by the vertical coordinate. A larger peak indicates long range target. If it is deflecting in the horizontal range, that means its direction is very away from North Pole. C-scope, an intensity modulated rectangular display with azimuth angle indicating the horizontal coordinate and elevation angle by vertical coordinate. This is very much useful in identifying the in tracking the target, because it have both azimuth and elevation angles. If it have got the range, that will be useful for tracking also. Now the other scope is D-scope, a C-scope in which the blips extend vertically to give rough estimation of the distance. It is a C-scope only in which blips extend vertically to give rough estimation of distance. So this is very much suitable for tracking. Coming to the another version, which is E-scope, an intensity modulated rectangular display with the distance indicated by the horizontal coordinate and elevation angle by vertical coordinates. Horizontal range and distance indicated by horizontal coordinate, that means it is range, and the elevation angle by vertical coordinate, range and elevation. Similar to the RHI, in which the target height or the altitude is vertical coordinate. Lastly, it is F-scope, a rectangular display in which a target appears as a centralized blip when radar antenna is aimed at it. So it looks like appears as a centralized blip when antenna is aimed at it. If it is not aimed at it, it will be away from the origin. Whenever it is aimed, it will be coming to the center. Next is plan position indicator, which is also called as PPI, or simply it is called as P-scope also. This is an intensity modulated circular display in which echo signal produced from the reflecting objects are shown in plane position with the range and azimuth angle. This is displayed in polar rho theta coordinates, forming a map-like display, which we normally see in flights. Next is R-scope. R-scope is an A-scope with the segmentation of the time base expanded near the blip for a greater accuracy and distance measurement. Wherever there is a blip, we can expand its time, so that we can have a even more clear picture, which is not possible with A-scope. This is extended version of the A-scope. RHI indicator means R stands for range, H stands for height, range height indicator. This is an intensity modulated display with the height altitude as a vertical axis and range as the horizontal latitude. So these are the different kinds of displays used for radar systems. Hope you understand. Thank you very much for watching.